Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Muhammad Rafi Ar-Rashid from IMEP Medicine Faculty 2. Now, I'd like to tell you about our plans for this presentation. We divide my presentation in three parts. First, introduction, second, main, and conclusion. Before we start our presentation, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so what we like to present to you today is our main topic about mental health. Today's topic is of particular interest to those of us who is realizing that you have trust issues with yourself. So why we have to talk about mental health? I think first we need first to identify the topic. Mental health is mental health is the state of emotional, psychological, and social well-being of an individual. It includes person ability to manage stress, maintain healthy relationships, adapt to life change, and recognize, understand, and cope with emotion. I begin off by explaining the definition about mental health. According to an article I read recently, mental health is mental health versus mental illness. After that, I be moved on the next point. It's about mental health versus mental illness. I like to mention some critical points on this topic. The terms mental health and mental illness are sometimes interchanged, but they differ in meaning. Mental health is not mental illness. Mental health is your health and well-being, while mental illness is diagnoses condition that affect thoughts and behaviors. So if someone is have a good mental health, they will realizes their abilities, have a confidence, productively, and will make some contribution to their social community. But if someone have mental illness, they will have sick of confident, not a productive person, and always feeling helpless and hopeless. I'll be talking about some types of mental illness. The first one is anxiety. Anxiety is when someone is feeling of fear, dread, and uneasiness. Secondly is bipolar disorders, when someone have extreme mood swings that includes emotional heights. Thirdly, is depressive disorders that impact to eating disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders, and sleep-wake disorders too. Do you know why mental health is important? It's because mental health is fundamental aspect of overall well-being, influencing various aspects of life, including physical health, relationships, productivity, and personal development. Prioritizing mental health contributes to a more fulfilling, and balanced life. How does mental health affect your social life? Mental health is a critical aspect of our overall well-being. It affects how we perceive ourselves, our relationship, work, and daily life. Unfortunately, mental health issues are often overlooked or dismissed, even though they can have profound and long-lasting effects on individual and society as a whole. This comprehensive blog explores how mental health impact our life from childhood to old age and how it influences our physical health, relationship, careers, and personal growth. Mental health is a critical aspect of our overall well-being, impacting every aspect of our life from childhood to old age. Understanding the widespread effect of mental health issues from physical health to relationship and societal impact is crucial. The case lies in the key lies in identifying and adopting healthy, constructive strategies for managing mental health challenges. These pictures are about society view about mental health. Don't you see that society and culture and can affect mental health? It because there is some precipitating factors like genetic, family, environment, education, work condition, and so many else. That factors can affecting our mental health to grow and give outcomes like productively, physical health, public safety, and many others. This is different. Uh, sorry, this is different. This is different types mental health problems. It's mood disorders, anxiety disorders, personality disorders, and psychotic disorders. Mental health have a very complicated different type problem. If we don't solve this problem now, we'll get into serious trouble soon. First, we have to know what are types of mental health problems. First is mood disorders, a broad umbrella term used for a condition in which disturbance of mood. Secondly is anxiety disorders. Thirdly is psychotic disorders that affect brain function by altering beliefs or perceptions. The last is personality disorders is a mental health condition that involves long-lasting mood or encompassing and relating to others. The question is, what causes the mental health problems? There are two factors that can affect mental health problem or mental illness. First one is biological factor. Biological factor, the first disorders of the brain nerve cell. damage to the brain due to a blow or accident. Two is drug abuse over a long period of time. Three is malnutrition or lack nutrition. Secondly is psychological factor. The first is traumatic events such as violence or sexual harassment. Two, less able to get along with other people. Three is feeling of inferiority. Four is losing a loved one. As well as that, we can have excellent treatment option for someone who diagnosed by mental illness. One is medication. Some mental illness respond well to medication such as antidepressant and antipsychotic. Two is psychotherapy. Psychotherapy can be in a one-to-one setting with a healthcare provider or a group setting. Three is alternative therapies. Some mental illness, such as depression, may improve with alternative therapies. Examples include herbal remedies, massage, acupuncture, yoga, and meditation. Four, brain stimulation therapies. Examples include electroconvulsive therapy and transcranial magnetic stimulation. Moreover, we have some tips to deal with your own mental health. Why? Because mental health is wealth. First, you can talk to someone you trust, look after your physical health, do activities that you enjoy, steer away from harmful substances, to take 2 minutes to focus on the world around you, and last, seek professional help. This is ways to improve mental health. The first is practicing gratitude. Two is taking care of your physical health. Three is staying positive always. Four is connecting with others. Five, developing coping skills. And the last is meditation. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. That is my presentation from EMAP Medicine faculty with main topic mental health. Let me summarize Let me summarize our presentation to be some point. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make healthy choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence, adulthood. It can diagnose for all age, not just teenager or an adult. So it's important to deal with you our mental health to quote a well-known doctor. Health is wealth. So for the last session on my presentation, does anybody that's all of me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi